ARVATO is an international logistics service provider, and we are currently in one of our Dutch sites. We were looking for a technology which can bring pallets from the end of sorter to our sailing street, and the solution we were trying to find had to be flexible, it had to be easy to set up, and had to be easy to use. After we have done several tests, we chose for the XP15 AMR truck.
The XP15 is a semi-automated pallet truck with all the characteristics of a normal electrical pallet truck. The pickup of a pallet is done manually. That person picks up the pallet, presses the start button, and the truck will drive automatically to its destination or more destinations. The drop-off of the pallet will be done automatically, and then the truck returns back to that person where it started. So we use the roof with stickers as its navigation points. That means that implementation is done very quickly, normally within 1 day, very easily.
In the future, I envision that we can automate more processes like this.